Welcome to Unigraphics tutorials. In this tutorial, we will know about how to import and export the files. So import means that how can we open an existing file in the NX software. So we have opened this software and here we have the first window user interface. In this we have to open a file. So we can see the option here that is open. Also we can click on this file and same option we have the open. After that open, we have another open like open a recent part. So if we have used a recent part recently, we can directly see the part here. I click on this arrow, it shows the parts that we recently used in this software. So suppose I want to open an existing file, so I click on this open, then we have to browse the location. So I select the location, so I go to my project files folder. Suppose I open the file, I go to this practice models. Suppose I open this model number 2 and click OK. So we have to select this model. Also, if we have the files in some different format, we can select the type of format here, file of type. I click on this arrow. Here we have different formats. Like the first is the part file. Part file is the UG part file that we used to create in the Unigraphics software. So we can open some file of the different formats like FEM files, solid edge files, solid edge assembly files. Then we have ideas chain files. Here we have the IGS file format that we have used in our project files. Then we have AutoCAD files, CATIA V5. Also if we have any parasolid model or the SolidWorks file. We have different options. We have to select the type of the file which we want to open. I click on this part file and select the model. So this is the part we have opened. Now we can make any change in this model whichever we want. We can go to this part navigator and we can see the commands or the tools we have used to create this model. If we want to open another model in an existing model, we can do this by using the import feature. So I click on this file. Here we have option is the import. In import we have different type of formats like part, parasolid format, then CGM. Also we have AutoCAD, STL, IGS, different formats. Suppose I want to open another file, so I select this part file. Then we have to define the scale factor or the layer and the destination coordinate system, and I click on this OK, and now I can browse the part once again. Suppose this time I select this model 3 and OK. So we have to specify the location where we want. So I give some location here in this space and I click OK, and here we can see that we have opened the part here. So this way we can import the files. Similarly, we can export or save our existing model. I click on this file, then we have to select this save and select this save as. Click on the save as. After that we have to select the location where we want to save this. Select the location from here. Then we have the type, in which format we want to save our model. I click on this. So we have some options like IGS file, step file, AutoCAD file, CATIA V5 file, like this. Suppose I want to select this is part file, then we have to insert the name of the file which we want, and we just click OK. So I close this. So if we want to close the models from here, we have to select from here this file, go to this close and select the all parts. Or we can select more options like save and close, save as, if you want to save the files, or simply select all parts. Then it will once again ask to save the part. So if we have already saved the part, we can select this no here, and we will be back to our first window interface. Similarly, we can open the file in any other format. So I click this open. Then I go to our project files. In our project file, we have used some IGS format for files. I go to this IGS format, once again select the model. So here we can see nothing is displaying, no match items. So it is not displaying because there are no files of format part file. So we have to change the format of this file. We have the files here, that is IGS file. Okay, this is this one we have to select, and these are all the IGS file. Now I can select any file and open this. So this way we can import and export the files.